How many pounds is Daddy? 250, baby, over here. Looking ripped.
How much do I?
You're like, what are you, like 50 pounds? 40? Let's curl Colson on. Let's see. Hold on my hand. Let's see if I can curl him. 2 hands. Oh. Oh. That's about 40 pounds, 50 pounds. Oh, you hurt yourself? You're okay. And toughen those kids up, you know what I mean? It's a tough world out there. Colson's a little beast over here. Here, let's get you a plate. Look at that. Scrambled eggs done. You know how fast that was? Boom. Oh, I don't have time. What was that? Like, I really could have got that done in minutes. Threw this in a little Tupperware, got in my car, and drove to work. You have time. We have time. If you want to make time, you know what I'm saying? That was 3 minutes. Scrambled eggs, done. Boom. Get in the car, drive, eat it as you're driving to work. And we got Spider-Man over here for Colson. Throw on some pepper. I gotta charge my phone actually. I don't want you guys to die out on me again. The last time I did this, dude, my phone stopped working. I couldn't even charge it. Perfect. Easy done. Boom. No excuses. You can make scrambled eggs in the morning. Nice piece of toast. We have Daniel's toast. That's what we're eating. Daniel's toast. You want toast too? That's Daddy's. Daddy's? Push it out. Oh.
It's already cooked.
Let me see. Let me see. Let's cook it one more time. I like to double it up. I like a little. Mom, I'm talking about.
Yeah, I like
You do? Yeah, I like it a little more than that. Alright, so what we're going to do here is, now we're going to throw in some ground beef. I usually throw in like a sausage, ground beef, some type of meat just to mix in with my stuff. Let's see, what do we have here? Throw in some meat.
Now what's that for?
It's for Daddy. To mix in with the eggs. Not too much, you know what I mean? You don't want to get like, I don't know, it depends what you're looking for. You're trying to gain weight, trying to stay lean. I'm trying to maintain, you guys. You know what I mean? I don't want to be bigger. Like, oh, Brad's got no results? What? Are these no results? This is maintenance right here, dude. Shit. This is not easy to maintain. Nothing is easy to maintain. It's just as hard. But it's even harder to get to a point, man. So, just keep going. Make sure you're hitting the cardio. Make sure you're eating 6 meals a day. I do a lot of shakes sometimes because sometimes I don't have time. It's what it is. But you gotta keep eating to maintain your metabolism. And it's not gonna work overnight. I suggest you take pictures of yourself because pictures don't lie. I don't even see myself looking like this. You know what I'm saying? Because we really see ourselves in a different way. But you gotta just take pictures. They don't lie. I'll take a picture. I'm like, dang, I wasn't feeling like I was that beast. I ate that or something the day before. I wasn't feeling beast. I'm feeling not ripped. Then I go take a picture with somebody. Like, oh my God, what the hell is wrong with me? I'm like fucking gigantic. Get your mind right, Bradley. You know what I mean? And it doesn't even matter, dude. We all have different days. We all have different lives and different things we're going through. So it's not gonna, everything's gonna work out perfectly. But you gotta stick to the process, believe in it, and you can. What? Colton wants to tell you guys about his bracelets right here. Look at, he's got a nice pink one. Oh, it's Empower. Yeah, it's one says Empower. Engage. Fun run tomorrow. Let's do it. Learn. Never quit. That's what I'm talking about. That's my son with that's on his wrist. Let me start him young. Positive. That's what it's about right there. You pump me up. Colson, give me some knuckles. Give me some knuckles, dude. That's Empower. Like, that's beast. Give me some knuckles. Boom. You know what I'm saying?
This one doesn't.
That one's just a hair one. But that's what it's about, dude. Positive. You guys better get outside today. What's the weather like where you guys are at? Whatever it is, man. Getting outside, just walking outside. Well, hey, just clear your mind. Listen to like a motivational music. Put it on YouTube. Go walk for like 20 minutes. You'll be like, damn, that felt good. You come back like motivated, just thinking about, I don't know, whatever you guys are about. I know what I'm about. You got to figure out what you're about. What makes you what? Kitty's not eating. Nice little pepper on this meat. Did you learn food? Oh, it ended. Okay. Our potatoes are done. So here, let's pull those out.
That food really is food.
Really? Look how easy that was. Quick breakfast. I don't know how much time we're on so far. Look at potatoes, nice and cooked. Real easy. You guys all do that too. But we're going big today. You know what I mean? We're gonna eat big because I'm trying to just get big. So, and hey, I'm not gonna, never mind, we talk about that, but let's pull these potatoes out. Boom. Let's poke a hole in them first and let them sit for a little bit longer so they can get the insides a little, oh, they're actually done.
Blue's toy.
Blue's toy? Oh, what, a feather?
What? Now look. He gets it.
So look at this, I'll show you guys what we're doing here. Here, what's what we're doing. So we have the meat right here. We got the eggs right there. We got the potatoes right there. Let me see what. I'm back. I just had a, let me see this charger. I just want to make sure I'm not going to die on you guys, you know what I mean, halfway through this thing.
Dad, there's a charger right here.
I got a charger right here. Thanks, dude. Sideways. Oh. Damn it. Let's figure this out. Let's figure this out. Is that cool? That's good. That's good. We're good.
Yeah, we'll call these scissors.
We're good.
Yeah, we'll call these scissors.
Back on track. Oh, the scissors? We don't want the other, a lot of scissors. Dude, these abs. I've been really working on the twisting stuff. You guys, oh dude, it's messing up. There we go. Is that good? That's good. Working on the twisting stuff. I know you guys saw that footwork. Boom, boom. Let me make sure. We're back on. Colson was like, where we at? We want to get back on there. Get back on, Dad. Get back on, Dad. We're back on. We're back on. But dude, this is not, oh, you want to show me your iPad? Okay, hold on, it's cracked.
Yeah.
Trying to figure this out here, guys. It keeps messing up. It keeps messing up. I think we're good. I think we're good. There we go. Colson's iPad. He wants to show you the iPad. Yep.
It works.
It works. Let's mix this up. Let's move these around.
Did it work for a long time?
It didn't work for a long time. Then it just started working, huh?
Yeah, because I tried. It takes way too long.
Yeah, we gotta fix that.
It's way too old to.
All right, the meat's almost done. Sorry about that. I was getting smoked out in here, so I had to like change it up. Now we got the potatoes coming in there. Some nice potatoes. Slice them up. Does he? Let's throw those in there. It's just gonna be like a nice little mash of everything. Scrambled eggs with potatoes, meat. The kitty what? Is sauce?
No, sauce.
Oh, the kitty is soft? I didn't know.
And Daddy has a lot of hair.
He does. He's a good one. He's a Maine Coon cat. Pretty legit one. Pretty legit. Hope you guys are over there eating your breakfast. You know what I mean? Or if you're already done. It's kind of late over here, but you kind of had a rough night over here, so. Sometimes you're going to have rough nights, dude, but you got to still stick to the process in the morning, dude. Stick to it. Don't give up. You tell them what? The what? Perfect right there. The potatoes are in there. Oh, the cat's a boy? Yeah, all our animals are boys, dude. I believe in having boy cats, boy dogs. I don't know. I just don't need that attitude from those girls, huh? No attitude. He meows a lot, Colson said. He does. He's actually a pretty good cat. We lucked out.
At the room, we have to save him, but he jumps down himself.
I'm having trouble here. Oh, look. Look at the chest shake. Look at those gains. Boom, boom. Abbed out. Hey, I'll teach you guys something real quick. I want me to teach you guys a little something about abs. Abs are not this. I don't even know what's going on. I don't know where that was created. Crunches don't work, all right? It's all about, okay, crunches don't work. It's all about this. Open up all the way back. All the way back. And you see that? I'm breathing the whole time. It's all about breathing. All right, mix in these potatoes. Damn, this is gonna be a lot of food for me this morning, guys. But it looks like I need to eat. This looks like I need to eat. You know what I mean? I'm too lean. I'm too lean.
Dad, did you show them the gingerbread house?
The what? Oh, show them the gingerbread house. See, that's badass. I like that. All right, now we're adding the eggs. Look at. Let me show you guys here. Got the eggs. Got the potatoes. Got the gingerbread house over here.
We ate all the candy.
Colton ate all his candy on there, so it's kind of bad. Oh, looking in the roof?
The roof.
You took the roof? The roof, huh?
And the real gingerbread house.
Oh no!
It's falling apart.
I
And
know.
now can we do the gingerbread stuff in it?
We'll do what with it?
The gingerbread stuff.
The gingerbread show?
No, gingerbread structure.
Destruction?
Yeah.
Oh, he wants to destroy his gingerbread house. Yeah, you can destroy it. Here, let's video you. You want to? Oh, what are you gonna do with it? Pouring the eggs in. Pouring the eggs in. Oh, you took like all. Eat your eggs. Where are your eggs, dude? You need to eat your eggs. Yeah, you need to eat some of your eggs, okay?
I took a bite of it.
It's good, right? Go sit up there with the cat, and I'll eat with you. I'm having potatoes today. I'm having some ground beef. I'm having some eggs. I'm having 2 pieces of toast. I'm having 2 bananas. Then I'm gonna get ready. So that's my meal 1. And then I'm gonna go have a protein shake about in a little bit. So that'll be meal 3, because I actually did have a shake this morning, early this morning, so that'll be meal 3. But just get up. Sometimes you guys don't have time. Get that shake in you right away. Right when you open your eyes, you gotta get a meal in you. So a lot of times, I just eat a banana. I get up, I go grab my banana, then I go to the bathroom. Get that banana in the bathroom with you, so you can just eat that banana in there while you're in the bathroom. Get that food in your system right away. Ignite the inside of your system. So it's like sometimes I'll go eat, or I'll get up, and I'll just go eat, and then I might lay back down. Dude, I'll just feel my stomach start moving. Then I'm like, oh, I got all this, give some energy. Let's go. Hey, this is looking good. We'll have some avocado to this. This is looking pretty bomb, dude. This is gonna give me that good energy at the gym today. That real good energy.
That word Logan.
What's up?
Yeah.
What?
You found Logan.
Logan? My son loves Logan Paul.
No, I don't.
Oh, Jake Paul. Jake Paul and Logan Paul.
I don't like
He doesn't like Logan Paul, I guess.
that's good in the word.
What's up? What's up? Pull out that avocado. Hey, don't be scared about cooking, dude. What's the worst that's gonna happen, dude? You're nothing. Okay, you're gonna make something that's decent. You're gonna get it down, and you're gonna learn the next time. You gotta learn from everything you do. Everything you do, you gotta learn from. So, I'm gonna eat half an avocado right here, just to add some flavor to the little scramble I have here. Put the other half in for tomorrow.
You're so cute.
The kitty is so cute, dude. I love animals. I love them.
Actually, Sweetie has pizza.
I'll show you guys my little guy right now too. I know you guys want to see him.
Dad, can the kitty have a little bit?
If he wants it, does he want to eat? Oh, my little man. Look at this little cute thing. Oh, my blue. I just buff my baby. Yes, we love him. Yes, we love him. Look at his ears. Look at that thing. Look, you guys get jealous? You guys get jealous?
And
Look
Dad,
at-
he's a heavy
You
one.
guys get jealous? Hey, he's this little beast. I treat him like not a small dog. When I take him to dog park, he hangs out with the big guys.